Today we're going to be taking an early look at one of the most hyped Jordans, and I've got a pretty insane package from Tesla. So let's get into it. Alright, we're going to kick this off with one of the craziest pairs of shoes that I've been dying to check out. Now, these released on 4/20, so there's your hint on what this pair of shoes is. I gotta say, this year there was quite a few insane pairs of like 4/20 sneakers, and this is definitely one of them. Alright, so we got an Adidas box. Don't even know what these are called. The 4/20 Adidas Campus. Oh my lord, this is absolutely wild. This thing is... I guess they nailed 4/20 pretty perfect. The entire shoe is covered in brown paper. It's all creased up. The edges, like, it would be super easy to tear it all off. I think that's honestly what most people are gonna do because this is not the best look. It literally looks like a brown paper shoe. Underneath this brown paper, though, you can see there's a very hairy green suede, which is pretty fitting. Inside of this shoe is completely covered in tie-dye. I mean, I'm definitely gonna peel all of this paper off, but I kind of want to do it for like its own video. I think that would be so interesting to see. So subscribe to the channel and I'll drop a video. All right, let's peel open this giant Nike box. I feel like this box is so unnecessary because it feels so light inside. Okay, yeah, the box is actually pretty massive, also falling apart, but you can see you've got kind of a yin and yang logo on the front, or symbol. This, guys, is the Cortez and Clot collaboration. Included in the box, you've got some extra insoles which have this huge padding, I guess this ankle padding on the back. Now this is because you can actually wear this pair of shoes 3 different ways. Okay, so option 1 would be to wear it like this, and honestly I actually kind of like the look of this. I think this looks pretty cool. However, the sheath has this outsole, so if we pull this pair out, now you've got another way of wearing this pair of shoes. Comes with its own kind of traction pattern or outsole, which doesn't feel like it's gonna be too great. There's no midsole or cushioning. It's gonna feel very firm underfoot. But then the other way that you could rock this pair of shoes is like this, just the sheath, and this is where you would actually put that insole inside. Honestly, just wearing the sheath feels very, very weird. I mean, it's a little bit complicated for most people. There's definitely gonna be some people who really appreciate the design. I don't think these things are reselling or anything like that. I feel like they are just kind of mediocre in terms of hype, but definitely a crazy pair of shoes. Let me know what you think of these down in the comment section if you went for them. All right, we got another Nike package. If I like these things, I'm gonna be rocking them heavy this year. ACG box. This is the ACG Mountain Fly 2. Man, these things feel hardcore in hand. They've got like all of these spikes, so you can kind of feel like the spikes stabbing into your hand. This is the latest ACG Mountain Fly sneaker. They do highs and lows. This is the second version of the low. The design, I think, looks really, really sick. ACG stands for all conditions gear. There's a lot of rugged aspects about this design. Wrapping around the entire pair of shoes, there's this rubber material which protects like mud and water from getting into the footbed. So you can see ACG there on the inside, which is a cool little touch. I mean, they feel pretty solid on foot. There's a really nice padding around the ankle area. I feel a little bit tight. Like I might have to half size up on these things. I'd prefer like maybe an all black or something a little bit darker. But this is the launch colorway, I think, along with an olive one, and this was my favorite out of the two. So I'm gonna wait and see if any other colorways kind of pop up in the near future. And I gotta be honest, I think these things look pretty sick. All right, let's get into this box, which I can see is from Zellerfeld, the 3D printing footwear company. I've got no idea what's inside, so I am very eager to break open this box. We got a little note. Take a look at that. You can see it says, "Yo, Elliot, here's another 3D printed sneaker for your collection. Thank you, Zellerfeld, so much." Got a little pair of socks from them as well. Moment of truth. Oh no. How sick does it look when it's all murdered out? Solid black. These things look insane. And I'm so hyped for this. I'm gonna have to like check and see what the name of this model is because Zellerfeld has a bunch of different ones on their website. I might just make a video wearing these things for like a month straight and just see how they hold up. That's something I'd love to test. If you'd like to see that video, definitely let me know down in the comment section because I'll do it. This will be the only shoe I wear for 30 days straight. But you're gonna have to like this video and comment down below if you actually want to see that. I think the black color just goes so well with the 3D printed texture that these shoes have. I think it just kind of looks super futuristic and like alien looking. I think the 3D 3D printed shoes are definitely gonna have a massive impact on the sneaker game, and a lot of bigger brands are gonna start jumping in and getting involved in 3D printed shoes. Let me know what you think of these. Massive thank you to Zellerfeld for sending these over. I cannot wait to throw these things on foot. All right, you guys ready for one of the wildest and weirdest packages that we've probably ever opened on this channel? This is from Tesla. It is super heavy. This is one of the most random products for a car company to be selling. All right, so very premium packaging, and not the packaging that you would expect for what's inside. There you go. You got the Tesla logo that you can barely see. This is just overkill for what this is. Foam off. Damn. This is so wild. This is what Tesla calls giga beer. That's right. So inside this glass container is beer. Inside there, can you see the liquid floating around? It is literally just straight up beer. I would crack one of these things open, but it is still the morning time, so I'm not trying to drink a beer right now. I got a lot to do. You can see the design takes inspiration from the Cybertruck. I feel like we've seen so many Cybertruck designed accessories from Tesla, but obviously we haven't seen the actual Cybertruck. Tesla is doing some pretty crazy stuff. But let me know if you guys want to see me crack this thing open, give you guys a little taste test. All right, final package. I have been highly anticipating the release, and unfortunately I didn't get exclusive access or anything like that for this pair of sneakers. So let me show you guys what we got over here. All right, as soon as you guys see this box, you're gonna know what it is. This is that special kind of textured speckled box that Jordan Brand has been doing quite a lot over the past few years. This, guys, is the return of the Thunder. Damn, here we have them looking super clean, man. This is the OG Thunders that are finally going to be returning on May the 15th, I believe. And some people already got exclusive access. I believe that was mainly for you guys out in the US, because Nike Sneakers was randomly feeling super generous. They did a restock of the Lost and Founds, and then they did exclusive access, or an early exclusive access for a lot of people out in the US. Unfortunately, that wasn't me. I would have loved to get these things for retail. It is such a clean pair. Suede feels super nice. I think this is a freaking awesome pair of sneakers. Last year, or 2021, we had the red Thunder, so now you got a little matching set over here. I guarantee some people are gonna rock them like this, mismatch, like left to right foot. That would be absolutely hilarious. Which one do you guys prefer? The OG original Thunder, or of course the newer red Thunders? Let me know down in the comment section. Honestly, I'm probably gonna go with the OG, but I do really like the red Thunders. This is definitely up there as one of the biggest releases for 2023. Oh yeah, and then of course you can't forget about the Lightnings. You've got Thunder and Lightning right here. Let me know what you think of these things. Drop it down in the comment section. Are you going to be going for these when they do drop on May the 15th? That is all the packages that we got to take a look at today. If you want to check out the top 10 best sneakers for summer 2023, that video is right there.